Hey flowers, it's your girl Reese LaFleur and I am back with another video. Alright y'all, so this time we decided to do a rainbow-esque floral skull. I made my own headband.
Okay. Yeah, so yeah.
Alright, so if you want to see how I achieved this look, go ahead and continue to watch. But first I want you to go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Hit the little bell for notifications so that anytime that I upload a video, you are notified. Go ahead and thumbs up this video. Comment down below. And make sure you share this video with your friends. Join that flower gang, sis. I've been busting out looks. And I'm trying not to drool. So yeah, let's get right into this look. Hiya flowers. We're going to start with my Beauty Bakerie Cake Mix Foundation. We applied that, and then we're going to go on my Cake Fist concealers, and then we're going to go ahead and set the face. I didn't want to show you guys my base too much because like y'all seen it so many times, and this look isn't about the base. So I did my brows, primed my legs, and now I'm going into my matte book, and I'm using like that teal blue color, and that's going to be my transition color on my lid right above my crease. Just want to lather that all up in there. Why do I keep using the word lather to describe what I'm doing? I have no idea. So now I'm going in with the deep purple that's in that palette, and I'm just going to pack it in. This color is so pigmented, like for real. And now I'm going in with a little bit of green just to blend that out into my eyebrow a little bit. I don't know why I like the green. I don't know. Now I'm going to do my infamous, probably way too much cut crease. There's more to makeup than cutting the crease, but when you have hooded eyes, it saves the day. So I'm going back in with that purple, and I'm just going to blend that on the outer V, and now I'm going in with the pink. This pink is so pretty and bright. And then I'm going in with some yellow. This eye look reminds me of the tropics. So I'm dusting off all that, and now I'm making the lines with a black eyeliner for my skull. So that's what I'm doing right now. And I already told you before, I have a hard time with making things extremely even. So my stuff is always sisters, not twins. So I'm doing a little piece on my nose, and then I'm just going to do a carve out on my face with the liner, and it's gonna go meet into my lips so we can do that skull teeth look. So I'm doing a little notches, kind of like what I did in my scarecrow video. Same thing, same baby, different dress. And then just outlining everything now with that same purple that I used in my crease. And I'm just kind of patting it in and then dragging it down so it stays nice and pigmented. And then I'm going to start going in with some more purple and blending that out underneath to kind of give that line some depth. And I'm going to go in with that blue. And then I'm going to go in with that green. Now. So I'm just kind of blending it down and giving it a gradient. I decided to do a little bit of a line around those pieces because I just felt like it looked a little weird. I don't know. So I'm going in with my ColourPop blush. This is, what's the name of the color? It's orange shimmery. So now I'm going to go finish the notches with my lips. And that's going to basically make my marker for the teeth I'm about to place on here. So I'm using, look how sloppy. So I went ahead and started getting some gems. I got these big gems in a big, huge pack of 100 from Michaels. And I'm just using some eyelash glue, and I'm just placing that on my lips and one back down. So I went ahead and did my lashes, and now I'm going to put some highlight. And this highlight is from Beauty Bakerie. Now I'm using my iconic Set Prime and Glow. And after that, I'm going back in with that purple and the blue, and I'm using it to make my skull thing down my rib cage. Is that? No, it's not there. It's both red. Okay, I don't know anatomy, biology, whatever the fuck. But anyway, so I'm going to just put some jewels there just to make it look better. And that is it, y'all. This tutorial is really quick. I put on my headband that I made from scratch. I made this crown with flowers because I'm LaFleur. I put some bone-ish stuff in my hand, and that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. See you guys in my next video.